And today is our first day mag-tour Smith, Sumaging Cave, and Hanging Coffins. And this is our tour guide. First stop, St. Mary Church. Pwede daw mag-asawa yung mga pare dyan. So we are at the St. Mary Cemetery.
Nakikita kayo bakante. Reserved sa kanyang asawa kung sino yung nauna.
Legit na may rock climbing pala dito. Ayun siya, oh. So ito yung hanging coffin, guys, na sikat dito sa Sagada. Ang dami palang hanging coffin dito. Pero ito lang yung accessible. That's it. So we have another here. Pile of coffins daw siya. Tapos may bungo. Ayan siya. Here is the rock formation naman po. Oh. Yan. So be careful. Be careful. Let's go. Let's go. Ayan siya. Ganda na. Next stop is, ano to tawag dito?
Kapay-aw.
Kapao-aw.
Kapay-aw Rice Terraces.
Kapay-aw Rice Terraces. Ang ganda. Look at that. Ang ganda. Oh my gosh. First time na ako mag-cave hunting. Cave. Basta magsulod sa cave. And I'm so excited. Let's go. Yan, ang ganda ng cave. Ayan siya, oh. Sobrang nakakatuwa ang cave. Ayan, so pababa tayo. Ayan, let's go. Hindi na siya masyado madulas yung bato dito kasi palaging nadadaanan ng water. Wait lang. Sobrang lamig ng tubig.
Having experience.
Yes, sir. So, beginner-friendly lang daw tong cave na pinasukan namin. We're finally back to the outside world. It's good to be back. Charis.